Women who come here eventually move out of homelessness when they leave. People like Yanni Hodges. She found a job after a 2-year stay at Calvary.
Calvary has helped me so much. I came from being homeless and I didn't know which way to go. It gave me a sense of feeling of love and being supported.
One person who helped provide that support, Stacy Solomon. When she's not at her job at Deloitte, she's here.
I've been a volunteer at Calvary Women's Services for the past 2 years.
But in a few days, she'll be helping Calvary in a different way, from a different coast.
Over the next 4.5 months, I'll be through hiking the Pacific Crest Trail.
So why are you doing this?
To help create awareness for and fundraise for Calvary.
She wants to raise $10,000 in donations, but the hike ahead of her is no small task.
Yeah, it is 2,650 miles and stretches from Canada to Mexico. There's a lot of logistics.
Are you worried, concerned?
Yeah, my mom does all the worrying for me. I'm incredibly excited, and it's such a privilege to get to do the hike for such a good cause.
If you'd like to learn how to help Stacy's cause, you can head to our website, WUSA9.com. John Henry, WUSA9.
Love that story. She's not even in our area, and she's working to make a difference.
You can do whatever you can do to make a difference. Good for you.
Absolutely. All right, so we got some differences, some things changing in the forecast.
A little bit of wintry weather tomorrow, and if you're in higher elevations, Skyline Drive, Blue Ridge there, you may get an inch or two, and also out in far western Maryland and West Virginia. This is really going to depend on elevation because what falls after daybreak is going to have a very difficult time actually sticking to the ground. Let's see what's going on this Thursday night. And I keep saying it, like Topper, I'm a snow lover. And it's just tough to get excited about a March snow during the day that isn't heavy because it falls, and we're going to see flakes. It's just likely to melt on contact. So light snow mixed to rain at times on Friday. No accumulations in the metro. Some light amounts well west and north. Again, elevation dependent. Southwest, some of the models are trying to say, oh, we could get an inch toward Culpeper. I think that's overdoing it. Could you get some minor accumulations on the grass and mulch? Yes. The weekend will turn milder. Well in the 40s on Saturday, and then Saturday night, Sunday morning, early rain, and then it really warms up. As far as the snow totals, and this is the GFS model, I've been showing you this one. It's been so piddly, I didn't even draw a map because when we're looking at a couple of hundreds, or a couple of tenths rather, 3/10, 4/10, just about all of this is melting on contact. However, the stuff out west, when you get to the higher elevations of the Skyline Drive here and out in toward West Virginia and west of Harrisonburg, yeah, we could pick up an inch too. Outside chance we'll get 3 there. So what we're looking at on the futurecast, tomorrow morning, some snow out to the west, maybe toward Harrisonburg and in the mountains of West Virginia. It pretty much stays to our west through mid-morning, and then it works its way toward us as we get into the afternoon. Notice how it expands, but there are also some breaks. So periods of rain and snow for the afternoon into early evening. Here we are at 6, and watch. It's going to disappear pretty quickly with just an isolated rain or snow shower after that. So if you're going out tomorrow night, cool and damp, cold and damp, but most of the precip will be over by 6, 7 p.m. Then on Saturday, we stay dry until late. Later showers, late afternoon. The rains will really pick up tomorrow night into the overnight. But here's the good news for Sunday. The rains will get out of here pretty early. 6:30. I'm not even going to do a yellow weather alert because I think most of Sunday we're in good shape as milder air moves in as the sun's out by maybe mid to late morning if it all works out. And when I talk about milder air, look at these forecast highs. Tomorrow, 40 in town, mid to upper 30s elsewhere. That's why I'm not too concerned about sticking on the roads. As we head in towards Saturday, highs will be in the mid to the upper 40s. And then by Sunday, perhaps 20 degrees warmer in the mid to the upper 60s. And yes, Luray, Fredericksburg, Tappahannock, 71 on Sunday. So hang in there. Sunday's going to be the reward. Partly to mostly cloudy, cold tonight, 22 to 32. Some late flakes west of I-81. Tomorrow morning, some wet flakes north and west. Temps in the 30s, 35 to 40 in the afternoon. Periods of rain and snow. Most roads just wet. Again, the highest elevations probably above 1,500 feet. You may have some minor accumulations. 48 on Saturday. Chilly but dry, although some late showers returning. Saturday night, Sunday, early showers. And then breezy and warmer, 67, maybe even 70. Don't forget the clocks ahead 1 hour Saturday night, and more showers as we head toward Thursday.
All right, Howie, the Burgundy and Gold have traded for a quarterback?
Yep, Leslie, they did, but what does this now mean for the team moving forward, and what did the team have to give up to get him on the other side?